Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Slim Essentials. In today's video I'm going to be organizing my notebooks because I have so many things scattered all over. I want to put everything in one notebook, and also I'm going to be doing a little bit of research for my mom. Although this video is about my business and me just getting things together, getting inventory, and getting things covered for my launch day, and hopefully that will be soon, so please stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have some good things. And yeah, so back to what I was saying. So I'm also gonna be doing some research for my mom. She has kidney disease, which is caused her to be on dialysis. So I'm gonna look for some herbs and things of that sort to hopefully cleanse her blood, and she wouldn't feel so she won't have like low energy and feel so bad afterwards. So I'm doing that. And yeah, so as far as my business, I'm just gonna do more research on the things that I'm gonna be having for my business, and hopefully I can find some good things in bulk for good prices. And when I do, I'll be sure to show you guys those things. And yeah, just stay tuned in with me, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for updates. And yeah, so I'm going to speed things up from here and play music. So I hope you guys stay to the end. If you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, all right guys, bye.